If you're new here, hi, I'm Karina. Today I want to share with you my absolutely favorite tofu scramble recipe with lots of veggies and spices. If you're considering to substitute morning eggs to more healthier breakfast, this tofu scramble recipe is just ideal for you. It's delicious and nutritious. So let me show you how to make it. For this recipe we're gonna mince a half of medium onion. Then thinly slice a half of bell pepper, and once it's sliced, chop it in small pieces. After that we're gonna prepare our tofu. Open the package on one side and dump out the liquid. Then open the whole package and transfer tofu on a plate with the paper towel. Cover with another sheet and put in microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. This is the fastest way to remove excess water from tofu. Then unfold it. Be careful, it might be very hot. Then we're gonna slice tofu and transfer to the medium bowl and mash with a fork. Add the onion to a pan on a medium heat with a bit of oil and cook it for a couple of minutes. Then add bell pepper and cook it for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally. After that, add tofu and stir again. At this point, I'm gonna add soy sauce, garlic powder, curry powder, sea salt and a few twists of black pepper. Stir it again and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of baby spinach and cover with the lid so the spinach will soft faster. In a few minutes, add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast for cheesy flavor. Transfer it to the plate, add sliced avocado and some greens with olives and serve while it is hot. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know in the comments below what veggies do you like to add to your tofu scramble. And of course don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It will help a lot to grow my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!